Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for this opportunity and again agreeing to give me more minutes. Mr. Speaker, I have been sitting in this house for the last 13 years. What I've seen today has never happened in the history of this year. Now, the matters of procedure, this is not a court of law, Mr. Speaker. Killing a motion at the PO level is disastrous. Because people stand here and say, oh, we didn't see this, or the assembly didn't see it, or what. I wish the people who are negatively talking about the assembly, they should have known what they have gone through. Some of them, they have almost lost their lives in the circumstance. Mr. Speaker, there are people who are saying the sitting didn't take place here. The circumstance under which the assembly sat was actually very difficult because they were almost losing their lives. Mr. Speaker, before this motion, this house was crying for the blood of Governor for Isiolo. Before this motion, we know each other, and I know what transpired even 30 minutes ago. And I think it's good the public know what happened and Isiolo people know what happened. Mr. Speaker, Soko Uhuru is taking over this house. And I must say this. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker,
you cannot impute improper motive on your colleagues. If you want to proceed in that manner, you know what to do. Substantive motions.
Mr. Speaker, let me proceed, and I will leave it at that. Isiolo is bleeding today. Isiolo is not safe today. The assembly is not safe after today. I am not safe after today. Isiolo people will not be safe after today. And I can see the people who actually normally fight me in the social media, they are all here watching. Already, tonight, you will see that chaos that will happen in Isiolo County. If only this house should have looked at the proceeding to the end, then you can be able to understand the veracity of this particular impeachment. But as it is today, Mr. Speaker, I don't think Assembly will have guts to bring in a motion to this house. Not only Isiolo, the whole country. Mr. Speaker, even the governors themselves, we stand here always criticizing the counties. We stand here talking about oversight. The oversight is killed today by the same house, Mr. Speaker. If the direction you are going to take is to kill the PO, Mr. Speaker, and I must be on record for this. Mr. Speaker, we have two speakers, apparently, where two members of assembly have elected a speaker. The so-called clerk forged documents for election of the assembly members. Government printer, a very sensitive department of this country, the heart of this country, gazetted a speaker who was elected by two members of assembly. Where are we heading as a country? There was a commander of AP who was brought here to produce an evidence in favor of the governor. Does he sit in the house? What is his role? Security, as far as that proceeding was concerned, was actually compromised. Mr. Speaker, today you report a matter in Isiolo to DCI, to police commander, nobody is taking action. Mr. Speaker, there is a young man who was beaten 2 days ago, fighting for his life in ICU, just simply because he's a blogger. Mr. Speaker, in this impeachment, there are people who have actually been injured and maimed. Somebody is standing here and saying, go and bring another motion. Mr. Speaker, let me say here that the Senate, if they are going to take the direction of killing the PO, you have thrown Isiolo to the dogs, you have thrown the assembly to the dogs, and if anything happens tomorrow, this house will be blamed. And I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Now, honorable senators, I do not have any name on my dashboard of any senator indicating to speak or contribute to this motion, and therefore I will call upon the mover to reply. Senator for Isiolo, what is your intervention? Certainly it cannot be a point of order.
Mr. Speaker, I will say on the floor of this house, I need protection. The assembly requires protection from the security agencies. I thank you.
You may proceed to reply.